Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable cookies on Android. So go for your any kind of browser on your mobile. So I'm using Chrome browser here. Then tap on three dot option. Go for settings. Now scroll down and go for site setting. Again scroll down and you can see here is a third-party cookies option or cookies option on your mobile. Tap on it. Now you have to choose allow third-party cookies. You can block cookies from here. So after allow these third-party cookies, you can enable cookies on Android. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can enable cookies on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.